This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jeff Chansey. Bring your imagination, and make this home your own. Priced for the condition. Concrete block construction. Great floor plan, and the home has great bones, it just needs cosmetics and updating. The kitchen countertops are granite, and cabinets have been replaced, new appliances are in order. Buyers will want new flooring, and painting. The roof is estimated at $2,004. The electrical panel is a Florida Pacific panel that will eventually need replacing. The lot is premium as there is a large privacy buffer at the rear located on the canal. All the bedroom closets are walk-ins. Hot water heater replaced in 2015, AC approximately 8 years old. Washer/dryer and freezer in garage convey as is. Garage door and opener replaced in 2020. Fireplace, fenced yard, and large patio. Split bedroom floor plan. For more information, review the details below.